Ever wondered how eggs contribute to your baking? It's more than just an ingredient. Eggs are the secret agents of baking, fortifying structure and enhancing moisture. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 ways to use eggs for structure and moisture in baking. Eggs are not just an ingredient, they are the backbone of your baking. They are the unsung heroes, performing multiple roles in the baking process. Eggs add structure to your cakes and cookies, acting like a scaffold for the other ingredients. They also serve as a leavening agent, helping your baked goods to rise and become fluffy. Eggs provide moisture, ensuring that your treats are not dry or crumbly, and they enhance flavor, giving your baked goods a rich, decadent taste. Now, are you ready for the top 5 ways to use eggs for structure and moisture in baking? Starting at number 5, we have the egg wash. This technique involves brushing a mixture of beaten eggs onto the surface of a dough. The egg wash gives your baked goods a lovely golden brown color and a glossy finish, making them look as delicious as they taste. Moving to number 4, using egg whites for structure. When whipped, egg whites can hold air and create a fluffy, light texture in your baked goods. This is the secret to cloud-like meringues and airy soufflés. For the 3rd spot, we have egg yolks. These little gems are all about moisture and richness. Adding extra egg yolks to your recipe can make your baked goods moister and give them a rich, creamy taste. They're the key to decadent custards and luscious lemon curds. At number 2, we have whole eggs. Whole eggs are often used for leavening in baked goods. When eggs are beaten, they trap air, and this air expands when heated, helping your baked goods rise and giving them a light, delicate texture. Finally, our number 1 spot goes to using eggs in custards for setting. In custards, eggs coagulate as they cook, setting the custard and giving it a smooth, creamy texture. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to use eggs for structure and moisture in baking. In baking, eggs are more than meets the eye. They add structure, moisture, and can even act as leavening agents. Understanding how to use eggs effectively can transform your baking, making your treats even more delicious. So next time you bake, remember these tips and make your baked goodies even tastier and more appealing.